Now with the weather, here's Tyne. Logan, Tyne, we had a cooler change for Perth.
We did, wasn't it lovely? Although still a little bit of humidity around, but that will clear out as we head into the week. I'll bring you that forecast in just a moment. Perth peaked at just 24.5 degrees today. That was just before midday from a low of 19.9, so still quite warm in the morning at 8 o'clock. Right now it's 20 degrees. Forest had the state's lowest minimum, dipping to 11 degrees this morning. Daytime temperatures remained mild for our south after what was a very wet Sunday for much of the southern half of the state, particularly along the south coast. The rain has largely moved out of our northern regions though, and temperatures there are on the climb. Wyndham had the state's top temperature reaching 40 degrees. Now, if we take a look at the satellite, you can see an area of cirrus cloud stretching from Shark Bay down to the Eucla region. That is actually a sign of an upper level trough, so there is still a chance of isolated thunderstorms forming along that line into this evening. Plenty of low cloud lingering for the southern corner of the state too, but a high pressure ridge will start to clear that out from tomorrow, and by Wednesday, that system will really be influencing the whole state with its warm and dry easterly winds, even pushing over the Kimberley by midweek, which will clear out some of the humidity from that region. For the first time in quite a while, dry season is just around the corner. Around the country tomorrow, some cool to mild weather ahead, heading for a top of 17 in Hobart with an early shower. Late showers for Adelaide with a top of 23. Also in the low 20s for Sydney, Melbourne and Canberra, while Darwin will reach 33 with possible showers and storms. In WA's north, it's clear and dry for the most part and getting into the high 30s, potentially a shower or two developing in Newman and also northeastern parts of the Gascoyne later in the day. Central parts of the state are looking at temperatures in the mid to high 20s, warmer towards the west where there'll be blue skies, and that's grading to partly cloudy in the Goldfields. And in our south, that touch bit milder still, around the 20 to 25 degree mark during the day. Inland towns might need a rug through tonight, though it is dipping into the single figures for places like Katanning and Manjimup. And I think you'll notice the drop in overnight temperatures in Perth too. We are expecting a low of only 13 in the city tonight, but then it's turning into a mostly sunny day with temperatures slowly on the increase thanks to those easterly winds, up to 26 degrees tomorrow. Still no spell on Perth local waters, below a metre tomorrow with winds easterly 10 to 15 knots, turning to the southeast in the middle of the day. Sunrise is bang on 6:30 and sunset at 8 minutes past 6. And looking ahead, temperatures are gradually increasing for the rest of the working week. A top of 29 on Wednesday, 32 degrees on Thursday, which is quite warm for April, then a shower or two arriving on Friday, Pamela.
Thanks for that, Tyne, and that's ABC News for now. I'll be back with the late news. In the meantime, you can stay up to date with ABC News online, or you can catch the news anytime on ABC iView. Stay with us for 7:30.